Hey guys, how's it going today? I just wanted to show you guys Ron's new creation here, 1985 ATC 70, fully restored. Brand new Chen Shin tires with original chromies. I've never seen a pair before. So brand new Meyer plastic. Runs like a dream. All original. This is except for the air filter. Man, this thing came out good. Got the custom quick connect whip flag. Man, check this out here. Yeah, custom grab bar. Yeah, it's pretty cool. He made the grab bar out of copper, and this is off.
That's a handlebar for a rear view mirror for a motorcycle.
Right. Yeah, it holds a rear view mirror, and you thread it into the quick connect, and it just makes the perfect whip disconnect. It's got the plastic Clark tank. All new decals, but you could tell this thing was preserved. Yeah. You want to fire it up, Ron?
Sure.
How pretty is this? This is the absolute nicest stock 70s. Look at that. A little cold, huh? Right. But I mean, for original, choke on? Oh no, that's on. No. It's just cold.
That's your obsession.
Yeah, she's just cold. But she started.
Oh yeah. A little cold? All right. A little sneak peek there. Hope you guys like. Be sure to hit a thumbs up and leave a comment. I try to answer all my comments. Thanks for watching.